Where is 4B1, 5B8? Both are not joined. Once joined, let me know. Remaining Sahil, Ganesh, Siddharth, I given permission. Okay, listen. Yes,
4B1.
4B1. Can you respond? 4B1.
Yes, sir.
I 4B1. Once more time you respond. 4B1 permitted. Next, 5B8. You joined or not yet joined? Okay, leave it. Remember, this is important, Amma. Where it is placed, how it is placed. Idu correct antene, remaining stages are correct. If it is wrong. By mistake, if you drawn this figure here itself we will start with 0 marks and we won't evaluate further. We won't evaluate further. What I am telling, clearly observe change. I am making you perfection. First stage correct, then only we will bothered about second. Second correct, then only bothered about third. It is a continuation. So this is first stage. Next. Here two angles are given. Right. 30 degree, 45 degree. And now here I used first 30, 60. Can you remember? Here I will use first 45. I will justify that. That's why I taken two problem in different scenario. 45. I expected why you taken theta sir first, but no one asked a question. Then I felt first I will finish and then I will explain. This is phi is equal to 45 degree. Corner is fixed, Amma. Here corner is fixed and side is movable. Measure this. One more thing, important. He used one word median. Observe chesara. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of median, Amma?
Center of triangle.
Loudly.
Center of triangle, sir, in equalator.
What it behaves, how it behaves, what is the relation? So I will say this one D and this one as D. Agree? It is a bisector. It will divide this equilateral triangle into two segments. Agree? Agree?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
D dash value is similar to AC value. Saying all are lying in one line. So what is the relation between this line and this line, Amma? Relation.
Parallel.
Parallel. Okay. These two are parallel and whatever it may be distance of A dash, D dash, same. Okay. Listen carefully. What he told. Median passing through the corner on which is traced. Take. How much we have to take? This is A. So measure A to this CB. Same measure with this figure only. Don't assume any data. Draw this R. Dark this. This is CD. Project it. Project this line. Project all the corresponding lines. Project this line. Project this line. Project this line. See. Mark this point as A dash. This is C dash. This is B dash. And this I will mark as D1 dash. I will mark as D1 dash. A to B, B to C, C to A, C. Now I want to ask A dash D dash value, A dash D1 dash same or different? Same or different? Yes. Same or different? A dash D dash value, this value and this value same or different?
Different, sir.
Different amma. Okay. Read question now. A equilateral triangular lamina of side 30 mm rests on one of its corner on VP such that the median passing through the corner, this is the median. This median A dash D dash value is same as AC. So that's why I asked what is the relation parallel. If AC makes an angle of 45 degree, what AD is making? How much angle? How much AD will make?
45.
45 only, because relation is parallel. So that's why the median makes an angle. So we assumed AC and AD are median overlapping. So if it makes an angle of 45 degree, we projected. Okay. Now listen carefully. This figure. How much angle? 30 degree. This 45 used. 30 degree. This is 30. Draw this line at an angle of 30. CBT is always with condition. I told. This is theta is equal to 30 degree. Listen carefully. Now, A dash D dash is a true median or apparent median, amma? A dash D dash is a true median or apparent median?
True.
Yes, amma?
True median, sir.
True median. Yes, very good. So what he is given very cleverly. The true median makes an angle of 45 degree with VP and 30 degree with HP. Both angles are given in continuous statement. So that's why what I will take A dash D dash. Listen carefully. True median measure. Somewhere you fix A dash. Nothing wrong in that. Take A dash D dash. Same value. Somewhere you keep. Wherever you want to keep, you keep. This point is fixed. This is A dash and this is D dash. Any doubts, someone? Any doubts? Any doubts? A dash D dash is having parallel relation with AC. If AC makes an angle of 45, A dash D dash also makes an angle of 45 degree. Because A dash D dash is a median, median makes an angle of 45 degree. So its median makes an angle of 45 degree, we projected. But when I want to check again here, median makes an angle of 45 degree with VP and 30 degree with HP. So I taken again true median, not apparent median. No, I should not touch apparent median. And wherever D is there, I will draw one locus line. I will draw one locus line. This is locus of D dash. Now listen, why I am doing? I have to copy this figure, amma. I have to copy this figure. When I have to copy this figure, here I have apparent median. I don't have true median. But angle is given is true median. Then how to convert it? Line problem solve chesara. Line problem solve chesara.
Yes, sir.
Jagratam. This acts as a true length, it acts as a apparent length. Jagratam. A dash D dash acts as a true length, A dash D1 dash acts as a apparent length. What I will do? Locus line is already defined. Now angle theta is known. I will measure A dash D1 dash length. A dash is already fixed. Cut A dash, join this, because always apparent length lies down locus of D dash. This acts as a D1 dash. One more question will come. So many times some student asked me, because when I extend, sir, we can cut down other side also. Yes, you have this here also you can cut. Correct? You can cut from here, but don't cut here, cut knee, because condition is nearest to D dash point, not away from D dash point. So nearest to D point only you have to cut. Now you listen. So I have A dash D1 dash. Now, can I copy this figure? Can I copy this figure? If you are a very intelligent student, this angle is called alpha. That's why I told in line problem, true length, apparent length is given, true inclination is there. Once you have locus line, you can evaluate alpha. Instead of asking alpha, he given both median. Now, how to reproduce this figure, Amma? How to reproduce, copy this figure? Anyone, any idea? How to copy? God only knows. If I start asking you people, A dash, see that. I will measure from A dash to C dash. This is A dash. I will draw one arc. I don't know where it will give. I will measure A dash to B dash, same figure. From here, I will draw one arc. I'm just randomly drawing arc on both. Then I will measure D1 to, already D1 is known for me, D1 to C. If you are an intelligent student, D1C and D1B is always same. From here, cut this side. From here, cut this side. See, if you are a very intelligent student, A dash, B dash, this is C dash, join them in one line. This is the word. Same figure I copy. Same figure. And you see, C dash, D1 dash, B dash is in one line. B dash, D1 dash, C dash is in one line with respect to C. With respect to C. This is the magic of this scheme. Idu jagrattam chuskoali. First true median you have to take, then apparent median you have to take, and with respect to apparent median only you have to relocate this figure. Project this, and after this very simple, Amma. After this only project these 3 points, intersect them parallel to this point is called A. This is called C. This is called B. Join A to B, B to C, C to A. This is the final figure, Amma. This is third stage. This is second stage. Getting my point? Understanding?
Sir,
No.
ఒకసారి థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ చెప్పండి సార్.
చెప్తాను రా, last 2 minutes left out is. I will repeat this, okay? One thing remember, if I solved these 2 problems, I will claim I solved 10 problems. Whether I am right or wrong. Whether I am right or wrong. What I am telling, now I solved only 2 problems, but I am telling that I solved 10 problems. How many problems?
10.
How many? 10. How? Listen carefully. If I take a triangle, you take square. Instead of triangle, square. Procedure is same. Object is square. Apply square rule. Same problem, same method. Remove square. Apply pentagon. Same method. Same pentagon problem. Remove pentagon. Apply hexagon. Same method. Remove hexagon. Put circle. Same method. Jagrata. Procedure is same. Only object shape will change. Getting my point? Understanding my point? Procedure is same. Instead of triangle, you take square. Instead of square, take pentagon. If it is pentagon, it is also pentagon. It is also pentagon. It is also pentagon. Shape will be same. A, B, C, D. 4 corner, 4 side. 5 corner, 5 side. 6 corner, 6 side. Circle. How many corners you want to divide? You divide. This is Jagrata. So here, one problem is same method. This is the one thing. Here also, instead of triangle, use square. Square means with corner. Keep objects square like this. Nothing wrong, square we can keep like this. Pentagon already is same. Hexagon we can keep like this. To know that hexagon how to keep. Circle already it is there. So Jagrata. If it is square, it is also square. It is also square, it is also square. Same number of points, it's a continuation process. Pentagon, same. Hexagon, same method. This is the one. Means one problem, same object you can change. You can try. You will get it same result. Shape will change because pentagon 5 corner, 5 sides. Triangle 3 corner, 3 sides. But method of procedure will remain same. And one more thing I want to tell. This is called first variety. And this is called second variety. Can you remember what is the meaning of variety? In this variety, note down this line. And same thing I won't repeat in solid what I am telling. In this variety, 2 angles are given in separate statement. Agree? How it is given, Amma? 2 angles are given in separate.
Different.
Theta
Separate.
statement is separate, phi statement is separate. Agree? Agree? Read question.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
see. In question, theta statement is separate, phi statement is separate. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Idu Jagratam. That is called one variety. That is called one variety. You take this problem. In this problem, both angles are given in single statement. The median makes an angle of 30 degree with HP and 45 degree with VP. Agree? Agree? Agree?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
That is second variety. The given information, how it is given, will play a very vital role. These 2 varieties are must. Majority problem belongs to these 2 variety only. Jagratam chuskoali. What is the variety? If angles are given in continuous statement, that problem, here I used word median. You observed, I used word median. If he won't use word median, then also it is a median problem. Then also it is median problem. Understand? Aipotunda? I intentionally used word median. If I won't use also, if 2 angles are given in continuous statement, that type of problems are called median problems. Understand? Aipoindamma? Getting my point? Any response?
Sir.
Sir.
What I am telling, carefully listen. Don't worry. When I will take next class, I will do same thing again. I will repeat the relation because time is over. So during that time, you note down this problem. Right? Thank you. I will take attendance. Wait for a while. And then we will meet on. Wait. I will wind up my session, right? Thank you.